For dinner, my kids wanted pho, and this was already quite late in the day. Typically, when I make pho, it's really early in the morning so that I can really let the broth simmer over the whole day. But sometimes we're stuck on time. Here's a really quick and easy way to make a pho broth with noodles for dinner. While I do use the same spices, I also blend my own Chinese and flavor interpretations. I will start by pan frying the spices. You can actually buy it as a package in supermarkets or build your own. This makes them more fragrant. There's a term in Cantonese called bao heng, which literally translates to explode fragrance or explode great smell. The idea of bao heng is to use heat to really explode the flavors. So for some of the meats, you want to create that fragrant taste before adding to soups, or in some of the spices or ingredients or vegetables to really brown a little to give it a little more fragrance and flavor. The spices I use are star anise, cinnamon sticks, coriander seeds, fennel seeds, cloves, and black cardamom. One soup making tip is to use a soup bag. This way, all the ingredients stay together and makes cleanup so much easier. Plus, it makes service so much easier with a clean soup. Another tip for fast and easy pho is to use leftover frozen roast beef bones. I tell you, these are the best and very versatile when it comes to so many types of soups that you need to make right away. And this is why I have a collection of bones in my freezer. I use bones for as long as even 6 months in the freezer. And this is why I do need a big freezer in my house. It's for all my bones and soup. And here's where I kind of do a make it up yourself or a whatever you feel like soup day. My vegetable base is basically whatever I had in the fridge. 2 onions, a handful of carrots, and some fresh garlic. Perfect. In a pot, I will bao heng or make fragrant some of the vegetables first, and then add in my water, my beef bones, and the bag of spices. Allow this to boil for about an hour, and since this is a quicker than normal pho broth, I'm adding half a cup of broth. Use whatever you have at home, whether it's powdered or liquid. And then, finally to taste, I add fish sauce and rock sugar to find a balance that works for me. For the pho, I'm using semi-dried vermicelli noodles that softens in boiling water. Flash boil them until your desired consistency. At the same time, I also flash boil the bean sprouts and sliced beef to build my bowl. Top with fresh green onions or your favorite mint or parsley combinations. This was so good, fast and easy. This is perfect for a quick and delicious family dinner. Happy soup making, and I'll see you next time.